you can see a small table being displayed on the screen, and you can also see two cells which is in gray color. It says enter the name here, and other one says sales. When I enter the name there, it should give the corresponding sales of that person. Now as you can see, I've entered the name Arun. To find out the sales, you have to type equal to look up. When you do that, you can see a small balloon pop up saying lookup value, lookup vector, result vector. Now when you're using the lookup function, the first parameter is lookup value. So what is lookup value? Lookup value is that value which you want to find out. In our case, it is Arun. Now you have to say in which cell is your lookup value located. In our case, it is in cell F11. Next parameter is lookup vector. Now vector means a column, that's it. Okay, so don't get confused. Vector means column. So as far as lookup function is concerned, it says lookup value and then lookup vector. Lookup vector means in which column should Excel look up the lookup value. That is, in which column should Excel look up Arun. In our case, the lookup vector is from A2 to A8. So you have to select that. When you press a comma, you'll get the third parameter. The third parameter is the result vector. Result vector means what should be the result column. Our result column is sales, that is D2 to D8. All you have to do is close the brackets, press enter. Now when I change the name from Arun to Varun, it should have actually given you 200. But now the answer is 450. Is our lookup formula wrong, or is it giving you the wrong answer? Actually no. For any lookup to work properly, your table should be sorted in any order. So now we are going to sort the table. For that you can either use sort function, or you can directly go to filter and then sort it. So we'll use the filter option here. We'll put a filter and then sort it. So now you can see after sorting, the sales corresponding to Varun has become 200, which is correct. So please try this yourself. It is much more easier than the vlookup function, but it is as effective as well. So I hope this was useful to you all. Thank you.